Hey guys, John here. I wanted to ask you a question. Have you thought about becoming a drone pilot or using drone footage in some of your YouTube videos? Well, here recently I decided to go ahead and make a little investment and got myself a DJI Mavic Pro 2. And after doing some research, I decided to go ahead and get a recreational license, which is first step if you want to go out and play around with it. You want to make sure that you go and get that recreational license. Another thing that you want to do before you go flying, you want to make sure that you go and get your FAA registration. I'm going to cover it up here so you can't see it all, but yeah, you want to make sure that you go and register with the FAA and put your stickers on your drone like you're supposed to. I actually got these. These are really cool. We'll cover that up too. But if you end up losing it, we've got a little if you're found or whatever. So I'll leave a description for that. I got these on Amazon. All I did was put my information. They went and printed them out. It's actually kind of cool. They actually give you a card as well, an FAA card that has all your information on it. So you can have that on top of your other card. So one hurdle that you're going to fall into, you're not really going to be able to post your footage online until you go out and get a commercial license, essentially. You can go and fly recreationally for fun only, but you're not going to be able to do what I'm doing. I do automotive, how to, stuff around the house, things like that. Mainly, I want to use my drone for automotive footage. So in order for me to do that, I need to obtain a commercial license in order to do that. So I just wanted to share with you guys my experience so far. I decided to go with the Pilots Institute. I watched a couple videos online and I had a couple point me in this direction. And right now I've been taking the class for a few days. I'm about 59% complete on my courses. And so far I just want to share my experience. It's been tough. It's a lot of information to absorb. I don't know if all of this information is going to be on the test. I can tell you that it's a lot of information. So I haven't taken the test yet. With the Pilots Institute, they say that they've only had like 5 people actually fail the test, and that was because they didn't follow through the motions properly. So we're going to go ahead and follow through all the motions properly. I'm going to sign up, register, and go take my test here real soon. When I do, I'll make sure that we document that as well and show you guys just how easy this could possibly be. One thing that they recommend that you do, pick up the Airman Knowledge Testing Supplement. This is for sport pilot, recreational pilot, remote pilot, and private pilot. This has all the charts, all the information, and in a form that we're going through now. It's a really good reference. It just has all kinds of real good information in here. The majority of it we're going to go over in this class, but this is also something really good that you're going to want to go over, and you're going to want to go through this book a couple times before you take the test. Yeah, so if you guys want to pick this up, I'll leave a link. I got mine on Amazon. You can get it in the description down below. This is definitely something that you're going to want to look into. Even if you don't take this pilot's class, you're definitely going to want to get this and start going through it. I'll be honest with you, this class is laid out really well. It's very, very informative. The way that the instructor teaches the class, it's real easy for me to retain the information. Some of the stuff he said that you might have to go through 2 or 3 times, but through his teaching style and the way that he's teaching it, I've went through it once and I feel confident that I'm going to be able to take this test and probably pass it on the first time. So we're going to try that. We're going to hold that. That's going to be our little challenge here. Again, I'm at 60% so far. I plan on getting through this. We're going to go on vacation here in a few days. So, well, I can't really say vacation. We're going to go and do some stuff out of town. But when I get back, I'm going to go ahead and schedule and go take this test and see how hard it really is. I'll share my experience with you guys and we'll go from there. Hopefully after that I'll be able to go out and start using my drone to do commercial work, take my automotive footage the way I want to, and I'll actually know what I'm doing. I'll know how to read the airspace, I'll know how to do it legally, not get in trouble. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I got for today. See you guys on the next one.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and while you're at it, check out some of my social media pages below and the new videos I got coming out next.